Planning a wedding in Savannah, Tybee Island, or Pooler? You need to apply for a marriage license at the Chatham County Probate Court in room 509, but you don't need to pay the full $76 fee. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling, a licensed mental health counselor and a national certified counselor. I am going to walk you through Chatham County's strict three-step process and show you how to legally drop your fee to $36. Let's look at the specific costs. The standard fee for a Chatham County marriage license is $76, which includes one certified copy. However, under Georgia law, O.C.G.A. Section 19-3-30.1, completing an approved 6-hour premarital education course legally reduces your fee to $36. That is an instant $40 savings. When you go to pay, bring a credit card, debit card, or exact cash, as they do not accept personal checks and charge a 5% fee for cards. Unlike states with a mandatory wait, Georgia has a 0-day waiting period for adults 18 and older. This means you can walk into the Chatham County Probate Court on Montgomery Street, receive your approved marriage license, and legally get married that exact same day. To claim your $40 discount, you can take our state-approved Georgia course. At Cadenza Counseling, our 6-hour program is completely self-paced, 100% online, and costs just $17.49. Because Georgia probate courts require original signatures, I personally sign and physically notarize your certificate of completion, mailing it directly to you via USPS, so it is guaranteed to be accepted by the Chatham County clerk. Chatham County enforces a strict 3-step application process. First, you must submit their online fillable application. Second, use their scheduling portal to book an in-person appointment. Third, both you and your partner must appear together at 133 Montgomery Street, room 509 in Savannah. Bring your valid government-issued photo IDs, your printed checklist for premarital education waiver, and your physically notarized Cadenza Counseling certificate. To get your notarized certificate and save $40 at the Chatham County Courthouse, click the link in the description to start your course today. If this guide helped you, please like the video and leave any questions about getting married in Savannah in the comments below.